Welcome to Best RV channel. This is Nal Amari from Best RV in Turlock, California. Today we're presenting to you the brand new 2025 Coachmen Prism 26 RV. The beautiful about this Sprinter chassis Class C diesel is sitting on a nice beautiful Mercedes-Benz chassis. We call it the Sprinter. This particular floor plan, it gives you the ability of the cap and the up. So this one, I could make this to a bed and sleep two people on it. As you see, one person, one big adult or two kids. It has a nice window on the front with electric shade, as you see. The beauty about this floor plan, it has 3 TVs and 3 different locations. The first thing, when soon you walk in from the entry door, you have 2 theater seating, the residential look, and those theater seating, they facing the TV in the front. So you could see I have a beautiful 32-inch smart TV in the front with facing 2 recliners. The beauty about this one, even if you're driving on the road, I could recline these well and watch the TV while my husband or my wife driving the motorhome. And across from those 2 recliners, you have a nice beautiful kitchen. As the Prism, they always give us the high-end solid surface countertop with LED light in it. We have a full storage here for trash can and so on, and deep nice kitchen cabinets with the nice gold handles, induction gray stone cooktop, convection microwave. This is microwave as well, electric oven. The nice thing about the heaters vents is in the cabinet, not on the floor, so I don't have to step in any vents. Across from it, I have the largest Class C Sprinter fridge. You know, the 10.7 cubic foot reefer, run off 12 volt, plus doors underneath. And then we have a nice glass cabinet with USB plug so if I'm sitting on this recliners, I have plugs for phones. I have a nice basket here for the people who are staying on the bunk. They could put their stuff over there. I have a nice fantastic fan with the rain sensors, suck all the heat coming from the induction oven. Now, the nice thing about the Prism, different than the other, this is called the soft touch ceiling. So you could see it's very soft touch ceiling. It helps in the installation, a help in noise cancellations. Now, 26 RB is from this model, you need to realize RB is mean rear bath. And there's a nice separation between the living room and the bedroom and the bathrooms. So now I have a full separations. Living room, kitchen, and then I have bedroom, and then I have bathroom. So if I don't need somebody to see what's in my bedroom, if I shut this door, now I could sit, socialize in this, and nobody could see in my bedroom. So there's the separation between the bedroom and the bath, and a nice pocket door. Now, when we come to the bedroom here, we have a solid queen bed. Now, this queen bed is reclined or versatile. So go flat, or I could do it up, and I could sit down here watching this, another TV here, 32-inch TV. So it has TV in the bedroom, TV in the living room, TV in outside, and all of it 32-inch smart TV, as you see here. This is a really nice touch where you have a nice vanity here as well. You could sit, the lady sit, look in the mirror, see what she could do, decide, and then if she needed more counter space, she could bring this one down, and voila, I have a nice solid surface. You can keep it down while you're sitting and relaxing. You have a nice beautiful window. You have a nice screen right here, shade, double shade, and then I have a nice reading light. And then I could decide do the makeup, whatever is needed. Now, the nice thing, I could use this as a mobile office. So if I work from my motorhome, some people, they work from motorhome, like registered nurse or other positions. You could have your laptop here. There's 110 plug here on an USB plug. So you have 110 here, 110 on both side plug. You could use it as an office. You could make your office while you're traveling. So you have 3 doors this side, 3 door. I could sit, I could have my laptop, I could do my work while I'm traveling and enjoying the outdoor living. So a lot of people, they buy this coach for 2 reasons: traveling, as well they travel and they work from their travel. Also, if you don't want to use that as an office, just use it for makeup for the ladies. You just raise it up and voila. And then if this chair is in your way, you could close it, put it in the storage, no problem. And even if you remove the chair, you still have a lot of walking area from the living room to the bathroom. Now if we go to the back, we're going to show you the separation in the bathroom. Again, you have full privacy in the bathroom, as you see. Solid pocket door, so nobody could see my bathroom. I want you to show them how beautiful this vanity is. Solid glass vanity, very modern. This LED mirror run of 110, because we tried it, is 110. Nice LED, solid surface countertop, place for towels, a medicine cabinet, another cabinet, and a lot of storage. You see here. And then you have a nice glass shower door and a standing showers. So even there's place for soap and so on. Skylight, LED lights is loaded, as you see here. It's beautiful. Plenty storage for clothes. You have his and her closets. You have one closet here. There's another closet here. All the Prism, they come with a safe. If you show them, there's a safe here. You could lock it. You could put your expensive stuff, gun, jewelries, you name it. So this is the 26RB from inside. It's so beautiful. Now it's come to here's the typical Sprinter chassis. It come with the 3 cameras in the rear, one in the rear, one in the driver, one in passenger. As well, this chair is a swivel, so you could have more social. It's a full body paint unit. This is not a decal, and we have it on a price. Let me show you right now the outside features of the 26 RV. So from outside, you see it has a beautiful LED light in the front with the front window. It has all full body paint. It has even the windshield protections on the front, so from rock stones and so on. All this is nice gel coated cap. Their power awning is the one with no hardware. So like some competitor, they use power awning with hardware. This particular power awning, there's no hardware on the side. It's very open. This will show you even has the big propane tank, and there are slam luggage door, as you see. Has also solar prep outside, TV outside. So this motorhome come with 3 TVs, as we said in the previous. Inside, all pass-through storage. They're solid. And then the Prism, they give us the nice gel coated cap in the back with a ladder, a camera in the back, and a receiver hitch in the back. So it's ready to tow your boats or your jet skis. More storage outside as well. They're really deep and long. So if you have a nice fishing pole, you could put it right here. And then you have, as typical on Sprinter chassis, they give you on 3600 propane generator, because this is a diesel engine. That's the reason why they give you 3600 watt LP generator. Come to Best RV, and we assure you we have the best, the lowest prices on Prism, Coachmen Prism 26RB. No one come close to our price, and even if they try, we're gonna beat it. Plus, no any hidden fees, no bogus fees, no junk fees. The units will be washed, clean, prep, as you see in this video, completely ready to camp at no cost to you. Just you're paying the sale price plus tax and license. Coming in.